Hello everyone, this is Raj and you are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. Our SSC JEE previous year question series is going on for SSC JEE 2022. This is the part 2 of 25 January 2018 paper evening shift. I hope you all are excited. Let's start with our first question. Question number 21. The yield moment of a cross section is defined as the moment that will just produce the yield stress in. Your options are A. The outermost fiber of the section, B. The innermost fiber of the section, C. The neutral fiber of the section, D. The fiber everywhere. So the correct answer is option number A. The outermost fiber of the section. In a shaft, the shear stress is not directly proportional to. Options are A. Radius of the shaft, B. Angle of twist, C. Length of the shaft, D. Modulus of rigidity. So the correct answer is option number C. Length of the shaft. Question number 23. Under normal condition using an ordinary cement, the period of removal of the formwork is. Your options are A. 7 days from beam soffit, B. 14 days from bottom slab of span 4.6 meter and more, C. 21 days from bottom beam over 6 meter span, D. All options are correct. So the correct answer is option number D. All options are correct. Question number 24. The flow is classified as the laminar flow when the calculated value of the Reynolds number is. Your options are A. Less than 2000, B. Between 2000 and 4000, C. Between 4000 and 5000, D. Greater than 5000. So the correct answer is option number A. Less than 2000. Question number 25. What is the momentum correction factor for laminar flow in a circular tube? Your options are A. 1, B. 1.33, C. 2.5, D. 3.75. So the correct answer is option number B. 1.33. Question number 26. Which of the following parameter is measured with the help of elbow meter? Your options are A. Acceleration, B. Velocity, C. Viscosity, D. Discharge. So the correct answer is option number D. Discharge. Question number 27. With an increase in the supply of irrigation water, yields of the crop. Your options are A. Decrease continuously, B. Increase continuously, C. Increase up to a certain limit and then becomes constant, D. Increase up to a certain limit and then decrease. So the correct answer is option number C. Increase up to a certain limit and then becomes constant. Question number 28. Which of the following represent the correct order of the setting up a plane table? Your options are A. Centering, leveling and orientation, B. Centering, orientation and leveling, C. Leveling, centering and orientation, D. Leveling, orientation and centering. So the correct answer is option number C. Leveling, centering and orientation. Question number 29. What is the thickness of 1.5 brick wall made up of standard modular bricks? Your options are A. 20 cm, B. 30 cm, C. 40 cm, D. 50 cm. So the correct answer is option number B. 30 cm. Question number 30. Grouting of the cracks is measured in. Your options are A. Cubic meter, B. Meter, C. Number, D. Square meter. So the correct answer is option number B. Meter. Question number 31. The water absorption expressed in percentage for burnt clay perforated bricks should not be more than. Your options are A. 5, B. 15, C. 25, D. 35. So the correct answer is option number B. 15. Question number 32. Which of the following are correct values for coefficient of lateral and longitudinal friction as per IRC? Your options are A. 0.10 and 0.15, B. 0.15 and 0.35, C 0.30 and 0.10, D 0.35 and 0.15. So the correct answer is option number B 0.15 and 0.35. Question number 33. The plumb behavior which occurs in the superadiabatic condition with light to moderate wind speed in the presence of large scale thermal eddies is known as. Your options are A. Conical plumb, B. Neutral plumb, C. Looping plumb, D. Fanning plumb. So the correct answer is option number C. Looping plumb. Question number 34. Slenderness ratio of a compression member is. Your options are A. Moment of inertia by radius of gyration, B. Effective length by area of cross section, C. Radius of gyration by effective length, D. Effective length by least radius of gyration. So the correct answer is option number D. Effective length by radius of gyration. Question number 35. The thickness of a single flat lacing should not be less than. Your options are A. 1/30th length between inner ends rivet, B. 1/40th length between inner ends rivet, C. 1/50th length between inner ends rivets, D. 1/60th length between inner ends rivets. So the correct answer is option number B. 1/40th length between inner ends rivet. Question number 36. To the calculated area of cover plates of a bolt-up beam, a allowance for rivet holes to be added is. Your options are A. 0.10, B. 0.13, C. 0.15, D. 0.18. So the correct answer is option number B. 0.13. Question number 37. On a grading curve, the gap grading is represented by. Your options are A. A horizontal line, B. A vertical line, C. Northwest inclined line, D. None of these. So the correct answer is option number A. A horizontal line. Question number 38. To obtain a very high strength concrete, one should be used very fine grained. Your options are magnetite, B. Barite, C. Granite, D. Volcanic scoria. So the correct answer is option number C. Granite. Question number 39. Which of the following test of cement air permeability method is used? Your options are A. Strength test, B. Slump test, C. Fineness test, D. Durability test. So the correct answer is option number C. Fineness test. Question number 40. Dimension of a beam needs to be changed if the shear stress is more than. Your options are A. 5 kg per centimeter square, B. 10 kg per centimeter square, C. 15 kg per centimeter square, D. 20 kg per centimeter square. So the correct answer is option number D. 20 kg per centimeter square. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.